Alright, so one of the last things that I've seen people struggling with is how to move, scale, and rotate objects. So you can see here I've got a wall and a television I imported from the 3D warehouse. So I need to rotate this TV. I'm going to do that using the rotate tool. So I could put the protractor on this surface, or this surface, or this surface, but basically you're setting it wherever you want to rotate it around. So if I want it to rotate from front to back that way, I'd place the protractor here, click again, and then I can turn it in that axis. So I've got it vertical now, and I can move it. Now with moving, you want to be looking in the plane that you want to move it in. So here I am, looking straight down. I'm going to grab the move tool, and I'm going to move the TV right over to the wall. And then if I wanted to move it up the wall, I would turn my view so I'm facing it straight on. And there we go, I can move it up the wall to the sides like that, and it didn't move away from the wall. The last thing is the scale tool. So let's say that this TV is way too small for what I want. What I can do is, with it selected, click the scale tool and grab one of these green squares. I can scale it just in one dimension, or another, or another, or I can grab it by a corner and scale it proportionally in all dimensions at once.